Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Deepseek in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. Open Chrome and type Deepseek in the search bar. Tap on the first website that appears. You'll see two options on the Deepseek website: Start Now and Get Deepseek App. Select Start Now. Then select Sign Up to proceed. The sign up page will appear. Enter your email ID, create a password, and re-enter it for confirmation. Click on Send Code and you'll receive a verification code in your email. Since I use Gmail, I open my inbox. There's an email from Deepseek. Open it. Copy the verification code provided. Paste the code into the code text box. Tap on Terms and Conditions, then accept it. Tap Sign Up. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up on Deepseek. And that's it. Now you can access Deepseek's main interface. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and turn on notifications for upcoming videos.